Hello and welcome. I am Shivangi and today we are going to practice a 20-minute flow for your entire body. This complete practice combines sun salutations with standing poses, hip openers and gentle twists designed to stretch, strengthen and energize you from head to toe. Don't worry if you have never done this before. I'll guide you through each pose with modifications so you can practice safely and comfortably. Let's start by standing on your mat. Stand with your feet hip width apart, distributing your weight evenly on both feet. This is mountain pose, Tadasana. Roll your shoulders back and down away from your ears. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, lengthen through your spine, engage your core gently. Now gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Slowly roll your chin down toward your chest. Then continue to your left side, left ear to left shoulder, roll back to center. One more time. Right ear, chin down, left ear, center. Now reverse. Left ear to left shoulder, chin down, right ear to shoulder, come back to center. One last time. Left, chin down, right, center. Release any tension in your neck. Now inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ear. Exhale, roll them back down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale back and down. Now reverse. Roll your shoulders from back to front. One more time. Good. Now take your arms up and slowly bring them down in a prayer position. Two more times. Inhale, arms up in prayer. Exhale, down to center. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale, down to your heart. Beautiful. Now we are ready to begin our sun salutation practice. We will move slowly so you can learn the flow. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. Reach through your fingertips, shoulders stay relaxed. Exhale, swan dive forward, folding from your hips. Let your head hang heavy. Hands can rest on the floor, your shins, or blocks. Inhale, place your fingertips on the floor, shins, or blocks. Lift your chest halfway up, creating a flat back. Exhale, hands on the mat, step your right foot back. Lower your right knee, keep your left knee over ankle. Sinking your hips forward. As you inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. Lift your chest. Draw your shoulders back. Feel the stretch in your right hip flexor. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step your left foot back. Coming into a plank position. Shoulders stacked directly over your wrist. Spread your fingers wide. Press through your palms. Engage your core. Draw your navel towards your spine, keeping your body in one straight line. Lower your knees to the mat for support if you need to. Otherwise, stay in the plank position. Press back through your heels. Bringing your knees down, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hugging in. Hips is slightly lifted. Inhale, slide forward, pressing into your hands, lift your chest. Elbows slightly bent, shoulders back and down. Exhale, tuck toes, lift your hips up and back. Inverted V shape. You can bend your knees here if you need to. Let your head hang. Stay for 5 breaths. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, step your right foot forward, lower left knee. Arms sweep up as you inhale. Looking up towards your arms if you are comfortable with your neck. Exhale, hands down. Bring your left foot forward. Inhale, hands on shins or floor. Lift your chest halfway, flat back. Exhale, fold forward completely. Let everything release. Inhale, bend your knees, sweep your arms out and up as you rise. Exhale, hands to heart. That's one complete round. Now we'll flow through 3 more rounds, moving with your breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, step left leg back. Low lunge, lower your knee. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, hands down and step back to plank. Keeping your core engaged. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Lift your chest up. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale, tuck your back toes. Lift up, coming into downward dog. Hips up and back. 5 breaths here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, bring your left foot forward, lower your right knee down. Stay on your fingertips. Keep breathing. Now, as you inhale, rise your arms up. Keep your chest lifted and keep breathing. Exhale, hands down, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold forward completely. Inhale, rise up, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Breathe here. Round 3. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, step your right leg back, low lunge, lower your knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, plank position. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, lift yourself up into cobra. Exhale, tuck your back toes, lift your hips up and back, coming into downward dog. Hold here. Inhale, bring your right foot forward, lower knee, arms up. Lift your chest up. Exhale, hands down, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold completely. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Round 4. Let's flow. Inhale, take your arms up, look up. Exhale, hinge through your hips, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, take your left leg back, lower your knee. Inhale, take your arms up, coming into a low lunge position. Exhale, take your foot back, coming into your plank pose. Shoulders over knees, core engaged. Drop your knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, coming into your cobra. Exhale, tuck your back toes, lift yourself up, going back into downward dog for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, bring your left foot forward, bringing your right knee down, relax your right toes. Lift it through your chest. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, hands down, step forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold completely. Inhale, pressing into your feet, rise yourself up. Exhale, hands to heart. Feel the warmth in your body. Now let's flow into standing poses. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Shift your body weight into your left foot. Ground down through all four corners. Lift your right foot, place it on your left ankle, calf or inner thigh, not on the knee. Hands to heart or reach them overhead. Find a focal point straight ahead. Stand tall, balance, and breathe. Release. Shake it out. Other side. Right foot grounded, left foot lifts. Find your placement. Fix your gaze. Now hands to heart or up. Find your focal point. Balance and breathe. Release. Relax. Well done. From here, open your feet wide apart, about 3-4 feet. Turn your right foot out 90 degree, left toes angle slightly in. Extend your arms at shoulder height and bend your right knee deeply over your ankle. Make sure you can see your right toes beyond your knee. Don't let your knee collapse inward. Turn your head and gaze over your right fingertips. Ground down firmly through your left foot. Keep your torso upright, shoulders stacked over hips. Breathe here. From Warrior 2, straighten your right leg. Keep it strong and active, thigh engaged. Reach your right arm forward, then hinge at your right hip. Bring your right hand to your right shin, ankle, or block. Left arm reaches straight up. Open your chest to the left side, stack your shoulders, left shoulder over right. Both sides of your waist stay long. Press firmly through both feet. Gaze up at your left hand, forward or down, whatever feels comfortable. Inhale, press through your feet, rise up to standing. Turn both feet forward, parallel, feet still wide apart. Hands on hips, stand tall. Inhale, lift your chest, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge at your hips and bring your hands to the floor between your feet, shoulder width apart, palms down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees if needed. Head hangs. Breathe deeply. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and back body. Inhale, come halfway up. Bring your hands to your hips. Flat back, come up. Keep feet wide. Now turn your toes to the left. We are setting up for our left side now. Warrior 2. Turn your left foot out 90 degree. Bend your left knee deeply over your ankle. Arms extend at shoulder height. Turn your head and gaze over your left fingertips. Ground down through your right foot, torso upright. Breathe, steady your gaze. Sink deeper, strong warrior. Feel the power in your legs. One more deep breath. Straighten your left leg, keep legs strong and engaged. Reach your left arm forward, then hinge at your left hip. Left hand to shin, ankle or block. Right arm reaches up. Gaze up at your Right hand forward or down. Stack your shoulders. Open chest to the right. Breathe into the stretch along your left side body. Keep pressing through both feet. Inhale, rise up strong. Turn both feet forward and parallel to each other. Now take your hands back, interlace your fingers, straighten your arms. Inhale, lift chest. Exhale, fold forward. Interlace hands, fold over your head toward the floor. Legs strong, head hangs. Breathe deeply, feel the shoulder opening, chest opening, hamstring stretch. Slowly lift yourself up with your flat back and release your hands. Bring your feet together. Take a deep breath. From here, open your legs wide and bend your knees deeply, lower down into Malasana squat pose. If your heels don't reach the floor, stay a little higher to keep your heels down. Bring your hands to heart in a prayer position. Press elbows out into inner thighs. Sit low and lift through your chest. Take 2 deep breaths here. Feel the hip opening. Bring your hands to the floor and carefully sit down on your mat. Let's continue with seated poses. Dandasana. Extend both legs straight. Flex your feet strongly. Sit tall, hands by hips, press down. Engage thighs, lengthen spine. Now take your arms up towards the ceiling, reaching into your fingertips, keeping that length in your spine. Keep flexing your feet. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your hands down, bend both knees and bring your soles of feet together into Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Knees fall open. Take your hands back, lift through your chest and sit tall. Breathe deeply and feel the hip opening, shoulders back and down. Hold your feet or ankles, sit tall, press your sitting bones down, lift through the crown of your head. Now start walking with your hands forward, go only as far as comfortable. Head hangs, neck relax. Breathe into sensation. This calms the nervous system. Jaw soft, let gravity work. Now take your hands back and up towards the ceiling. Release. Come back to center and straighten your left leg, left foot flexed, right knee bent, right foot flat on the floor. Hug your right knee in, take your left hand back. Inhale to lift, exhale to twist over and looking behind your right shoulder. Sit nice and tall, ground through your sitting bones. Inhale, come back to center, exhale, release. Now, bend your left knee, placing left foot flat on the floor, right foot flexed. Hug your left knee in, inhale, exhale, twist over to your left. Feel the detoxification, the spinal release. Keep breathing. Inhale, come back to center, extend your legs and come to a comfortable cross-legged seated position, Sukhasana. Sit tall, lengthen through your spine, roll your shoulders down and back. Rest your hands on your knees, palm facing up, whatever feels right. Now close your eyes for a moment, taking a deep breath in and out through your nose. Thank yourself for showing up today. You have completed a beautiful balance practice for your entire body. Take a deep breath in together and exhale. Let's reach our arms overhead and simply bring them down to your heart. Bow your head to your heart in gratitude. If you enjoyed this practice, please like and subscribe for more yoga flows. Namaste.